We often see only what people do, not what they are going through. A harsh word, a delayed response, a mistake, and we instantly form an opinion. But what if every action we judge hides a story we cannot see? Judgment comes quickly. Understanding requires patience, and that small difference can change everything. Namaskar. I'm Dr. Pravin, counselor and trainer. Today, I will guide you through the power of non judgment, understanding before assuming, how pausing, observing, and choosing empathy over assumption can transform your perspective, relationship, and inner peace. Why we judge? That is the first question. Our minds crave quick answers. When situation confuse us, we rush to label people, calling them lazy, selfish, or careless. Comparison fuels judgment. We feel superior or inferior, disconnected from empathy and compensation. A judgment only reveals our perception, not the full reality. Now, I will share the story of the father on the train. A man boarded a train with three children who were shouting and running around. Passengers grew frustrated. Finally, one woman snapped, "Sir, can't you control your kids?" The father looked up, eyes filled with tears. "I'm sorry. We just came from the hospital. Their mother passed away an hour ago. I don't know how to handle it." The train fell silent. Judgment turned into empathy in a single moment. Nothing about the situation changed, only understanding did. Why judgment harm us? When we constantly judge, we trap ourselves in negativity. Criticism and comparison drain emotional energy and disturb inner peace. Understanding how you frees us. It builds patience, empathy, and stronger connection, qualities that enhance emotional intelligence and leadership. How to practice understanding before judgment. That is the most important, I could say, the take up. Pause before reacting. Take a breath, observe, and the situation fully try to grasp in other perspective. Ask instead of assuming, "Is everything okay?" Opens more doors than "What's wrong with you?" Consider context. Everyone carries a battle unseen by others. Reflect inward. Often, our judgment reflect our own fears or insecurities. Even small practice changes how we perceive the world. Think of Mahatma Gandhi or Nelson Mandela. They faced immense criticism, judgment, and hostility. Yet their leadership was rooted in understanding, patience, and forgiveness. They responded with awareness rather than ego or anger, demonstrating that non judgment is a strength, not weakness. Judgment divides, understanding connects. Next time you feel like judging someone, pause and remind yourself, everyone I meet is fighting the battles I know nothing about. Choose awareness over assumption choose kindness over criticism because what you give to others, you grow within yourself. Therefore, pause to understand, respond with empathy, and transform your world from within. The power of non judgment is essential in such a way that understanding before assuming.